Welcome and thank you for purchasing the Omron Avail. Avail delivers proven and effective TENS technology and microcurrent therapy to alleviate acute and chronic muscle and joint pain and pain associated with arthritis, all from the convenience of your smartphone. Avail utilizes Bluetooth technology to connect Avail to your smartphone, making it wireless so you can be free to do your daily activities while treating your pain. Pairing your devices. Start by opening the Omron TENS app. It will immediately start searching for a device, so in order to begin pairing, click the power button once on one of your devices. You will see a green blinking light to indicate that the sync is in progress. Once a device is found, you will receive a prompt on your phone to confirm pairing. Click Pair to confirm. If you'd like to treat 2 pain locations at once, follow the same procedure to pair your second device. Begin your treatment. After you pair the devices, start with the rapidly blinking device. This is device A, connected to a pad. Now you're ready to get started with your treatment. Select where on the body you'd like to receive treatment. There are several ways you can position the pads. For suggested placement, you can review the pad icon on the treatment screen. Remove the plastic film from the applicator pads and place the pads on the body in the location of pain. Make sure your skin is clean and dry. Select TENS or microcurrent therapy. If TENS is selected, you will have 9 unique treatment modes to choose from. Select desired session time and click Start to go to treatment screen. If microcurrent is selected, the app will transition directly to the session time screen. Use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the TENS therapy intensity as necessary. Microcurrent provides treatment at 1 intensity level, so you will not need to make any adjustments. You will also not feel any type of stimulation during a microcurrent therapy as it applies extremely small electrical currents. If you paired the second device to treat an additional pain location, click on device B at the top of your treatment screen. Follow the same procedure to set up treatment. While treatment is in progress, you can easily save your current treatment session by clicking the Favorites heart icon on the app screen. After doing so, you'll be able to quickly and easily repeat your session in the future. If you're treating 2 pain locations at once, you can conveniently control both device settings by selecting the landscape mode icon on the app screen. The Omron TENS app also features a pain diary, allowing you to chart the severity and location of your ailments. Keeping a consistent diary may help both you and your physician address your issues more accurately and effectively. After your treatment has concluded, carefully remove the pads from each body placement, place them on each side of the pad holder, and stow them in the included storage case for future use. If the devices need to be recharged, remove them from the pads and place them on the charging station that is plugged into the wall with the AC adapter. Children, pregnant women, or anyone who has an implanted metallic or electronic device should not use this device. If you have additional questions about your health, ask your physician before using. To learn more or to order replacement pads, visit OmronHealthcare.com. Thank you for watching.